Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings. In this video, we are going to show you the difference between Trading Pro versus Trading Pro Plus in light of the offer that TradingView is offering for Black Friday. It dawned on me, yeah. I am an affiliate with TradingView, but folks, trust me, this was the last thing in my mind until now. So we are literally one day on there. We are going to post our affiliate link on there. If you want to use it, you will support the channel. Definitely we like that. If not, that's fine as well. So, but before maybe we go to the offer, let's go and actually take a look at reminding folks the difference between those two plans in terms of what it can help you do, right? Because the charting platform, as you know, we have been using it here for a while. We are currently using this Pro version for the longest time now, right? For us, it enables us to do which that's do. The main difference, let's say right now, if you happen to have the basic version, for me, one of the killer was that the art, yeah, every single time having to click onto removing the art. So if you happen to be on the basic, then you have an opportunity to upgrade to this Pro version. With what are you going to be able to get? You're going to be able to get 5 indicators on the chart. 5 indicators for us on here. That's going to be your Bollinger Bands. That counts as one, even though there are 2 of them. The moving averages. So you can put at least 2 moving average on there. Then you are going to be able to put in the VWAP. That's definitely something that's it's of value. Then the MACD and RSI, and then even the volume. So these are the things on there. And then the fact that then they're not restricting you in terms of your custom time interval. What do I mean by that? Let's go to a chart on here of TradingView. Oops. Okay, I have all over the place. So let's go to this chart here. This is what I'm talking about. So yeah, you see all of this time interval. So depending on which that you're trading, are you using TradingView? Would you be using TradingView Pro or the TradingView or Pro Plus for Forex, Bitcoin? Yeah, that's all. I don't know. Other commodity or just basic stocks. Then you have access to 1 second, 5 seconds, 15 seconds. The whole 9 yards. On the free version, many of these are missing. I kid you not. So this is the Pro version, hence I cannot switch to tell you exactly what it looks like. So what that they mean by this line item on here, that custom time interval. So multiple enhanced watch lists. Yes, you have the ability to create watch lists. And then my personal favorite, the bar replay on intraday bars. Yes, this is what I like. So let's showcase what it looks like. If you haven't seen it so far, that's because it doesn't exist on this version. So hence for me, if you are learning how to trade, definitely basic concepts such as support and resistance, the TradingView Pro 8, that's minimum requirement for you. So let's quickly show that on here, and then we will debate, or we will show the difference TradingView Pro versus TradingView Pro Plus. So TradingView Pro versus Pro Plus. It's easy to say, right? Say that 10 times. So maybe we'll see. So let's go on here on the chart and look. Show you that replay button intraday. So intraday, we have to choose the time interval here. So 15 minutes. Yep, that's what it is. I chose it by going here. So let's say for AMG, any chart you want, right? I want to replay, let's say, the entire day yesterday. I can do that. So this is the replay button on here. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to choose the beginning. So I want it to start. You see the time there? For me, I'm in Pacific time zone, so that's going to be 6:30 on the November the 24th. That was yesterday. We're the 25th of November today. So I click on it. And then here, I need to select the speed. Look at the slider, the speed slider. 1 update every 2 seconds, or 1 update every 3 seconds, or 1 update. That's mean 1 update meaning whatever interval that I'm choosing. So meaning that's mean 1 15-minute candle every 5 seconds. So if I want you to go super fast, you can go as fast as one update every 0.1 second. So meaning how many 15-minute candle that we have in a full trading session? Aha, folks, we have 6.5 hours. Yeah, so that's 1 hour has 4 times 6 is 24, plus the 2 extra for the 30 minutes, that's 26. So you have 26 candle on here for a full day. So meaning if I'm doing for one update every 1 second, that's gonna take 26 seconds of this video. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna click on here. Candle number 1, candle number 2, candle number 3, number 4. So at the end, and on 26, less than that now, it's going to finish. So meaning, hey, maybe I'm gonna make it slow it down a little bit on the next one. We're gonna look at another stock such that you have an ability to very visualize it and get familiar with it. So it will then show you how the stock is behaving as it's coming to natural support resistance. My orange line, if you are new here, it's the VWAP, volume weighted average price. That's one of those 5 indicators that's available that you can have on the pro plan, right? So let me show you my 5 on here. So I have my VWAP, I have my volume. My volume as of now is showing that I'm not showing it, but I can show it here. Yeah. So Bollinger Band VWAP, exponential moving average 20, exponential moving average 8. Why do I use exponential moving average 8 and exponential moving average 20? Because when the crossover happen, definitely it's a good a strong indicator of the channel. Very quickly here, let's go to Facebook, and I just wanted to do that because Facebook the movement was okay. So you see this brutal movement on here. Actually, we can start here. So from the 23rd 8:30 all the way here, and for us not gonna take that much time because we're gonna say, hey, give us a candle every 1 second, just like we did previously, right? So, but I haven't. You see here, I cannot play it because I haven't told TradingView where I want to start. When I do that, dang, now I can start. My speed is at 1 update every 1 second. So this is started here. This started on the 23rd at 8 a.m. Pacific time. My time zone is Pacific time that you can see on here. So it's just showing you how Facebook traded by each update is 15 minutes interval and so forth. We know an entire day trading session it's 26 seconds at that speed. Yeah. Try going through the entire trading session in 26 seconds. Yeah. You have to make decision every second and a half on a candle. So here, that was the bullish run that we have had on Facebook since starting on the 23rd on here, and it closed yesterday. So this is to me, this is cool. This is cool. So in terms of being able to upgrade to that plan. So this plan on here, because again, for us here, we want to look at really quickly the Pro versus the Pro Plus, because the question, if you can afford it, again, if you can afford it, go for a paid version. So now, what are the differences here? They're giving you more indicators. Oh yeah, the other thing is 2 charts in 1 window. Let me quickly show you what 2 charts in 1 window look like. 2 charts in 1 window for us, yes, it's practical. We use that on here because one of the technique in entry is we use the VWAP as an indicator, 5 minutes or 15-minute interval. 15 minutes because it gives you less false positive, it forces you to be patient, then you have less decision to do. So it will look something like this, where you can have the same chart. Here's Facebook 15 minutes on this side, and then we're gonna put Facebook 5 minutes on this chart by just doing this, displaying the same thing. Yeah. So that's what that feature is there. So let's go back here. So that's what here now in the Pro Plus. Yeah, TradingView Pro Plus is giving you double the number of indicators. That can come in handy because I know people who like to see oscillators, and for us we try to keep it basic just because we have a lot of beginners here. Server side alert. How many alerts can you set at any time? Okay, 30. Not too bad. So yeah. Definitely ad free, or all of the benefit of the Pro Plus, but the intraday exotic charts. Okay, those exotic charts meaning that, for instance, do you know that I can create a chart of the type this stock minus this other one? That's the practical for Forex, for instance. Maybe I'm gonna demo that. I want some. So that's what they mean by that. Custom, yeah, chart based on custom formula as well. So this is the one that I was describing under. Yeah. So 3 times this minus 1 time this, because people, hey, depending to simulate specific strategy. Chart data export. Yeah, they don't have the exports on here, meaning you can get that into Excel, into whatever medium that you want. Indicators on indicators. Okay, that's interesting. So let's say, for instance, you want to do an EMA on your Bollinger Band. Wow. Okay. Yeah. The premium is just for really another level. But here, TradingView Pro versus TradingView Plus, it's up to you. So at the time, this was the price. So 155, 299, right? But this is what they are touting. That's why we are here today. So the Pro Plus, instead of 179 or 159, that is also they're letting you go for 108, but you have 13 months of that. Yeah. And here, instead of 359, 179. The premium, hey, more power to you if you want to go there. So here are some of the questions regarding the Black Friday open. What happened to my current plan if it's on use days? It is on use day if I purchase a subscription using a Black Friday discount. Meaning, so for somebody like me, right, I have a couple of months left. If I upgrade to the TradingView Pro Plus, what's happened? If you buy the same plan as one you're already on, then you will add all the unused days from your original subscription. So meaning it carries over. Yeah. So if you upgrade using a Black Friday offer, then we will convert your old plan unused days into additional one, adjusted to reflect the higher price ratio. So yeah, they will just mathematically, you don't lose anything. Yeah. I used your Black Friday offer last year. How much am I going to be billed this year? You need to purchase a new plan using the Black Friday offer to claim its benefits. If you don't, you will renew your subscription at your normal rate, meaning the previous year. I can't make up my mind which plan should I go for. Good question. You compare the benefits of different plans on this page. We just show you that. How do I get a free month? Simple. Just buy a plan from this page. Your subscription will be valid for 13 months instead of 12 months. So you get the discount and 1 extra month free. Not too bad. How does downgrading work? Well, in our case, we're talking about people who want to upgrade, so that doesn't offer. This offer is great. Can I stock up on it for several years? That's interesting. Yes, you can. This Black Friday, you can purchase as many annual subscription as you would like. Your subscription will be extended to reflect the total duration of the plans you have bought. Oh, meaning that, let's say this deal that they have right now, right? So you want to say, hey, I want to lock myself to this for several years. Yes. So if you pay 4 times a year, $108 for a year, well, plus 13 months, you are good to go for the foreseeable future. Not too bad, actually. Not too bad. And my favorite. Can I pay with crypto? Remember we made a video on crypto, our first trial video on crypto on was it on Sunday or what? Which we were showing you how for us actually we were able to, I can pay bills with crypto. And so here, can you pay with crypto? Yes, you can. They accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, BTC, and Litecoin as a payment for a Black Friday offer. Coinbase handles the payment process for you. To pay with crypto, you will need to switch on the tab titled Crypto by Coinbase located on the order page and follow the instruction. The TradingView gives you coins here for certain things. No, you cannot. You cannot pay for this subscription using your TradingView coins. But the crypto coins, yes, not too bad, folks. All right. Hopefully you get something out of this. Hey, if I think this depending on your current situation on how you are using it. And leave us your comments and or questions. Hopefully we were able to get to the most important ones on here. So the TradingView has this deal for Black Friday, and trying to take advantage of it if you are in that situation. Thank you. Bye-bye.